Alrighty then, welcome back. And what we're going to do here is we're going to graph this piecewise function. This is the second of two that I put on here. Actually, there is actually a third one where I'm evaluating it. So if you want to check out another way of how to graph piecewise, look at my other tutorial on how to evaluate piecewise graphs, because I actually did graph another one there. Go through the same process. Now, the key thing when you're graphing piecewise functions, all right, is when you graph piecewise, remember to graph each piece one by one. All right, graph each piece individually. All right, graph each piece individually. All right, individually. That is the key. So what we have right here. So let's go and graph this piecewise now. All right, so let's graph each one individually, and let's look at this. So first off, what's our first function? Well, look on top, and we see we have the function, all right, 3. Okay, 3. Now with this function right here, sorry about that, a lot of interruptions in this little video, but I don't know, that's the way it goes. All right, so here we go. We have is 3, and we're going to be graphing this. So now look at the domain. The domain says we're only graphing 3, so our output, this is a horizontal line. Just so you know, these are horizontal lines. Whenever you have constants, these are what always befuddle students saying, what when you have 3? It's a horizontal line. All right. So we're going to draw a horizontal line from 0 to 2. So from 0 to 2. Now at 0, we're going to have an open circle. So at 1, 2, 3, this first part, we're going to have an open circle. And we're going to have all the other values are going to go up to 2. Now 2, we're going to have a closed circle, and it's going to look like that. Now for the next part, I'm going to draw this a different color. So next one, we're going to do the next piece. Next piece, I'm going to put in red. All right, so we're going to start. Now this one is at 1, so that's going to be a 1. So we have 1. We're starting at 2. It's going to be an open circle, and we're going all the way to 4. 4 is closed because it's equal to, so I'm going to put that right there. But once again, this is a horizontal line. Horizontal line. Probably should put the line up here too. All right, horizontal line is a slope of 0. So right here, we're going to connect the dots, la la la, and there we have it. Okay. The final one is we have another horizontal line. Horizontal line, horizontal line. That's the equation of horizontal line. It's just a constant. So we're going to go up here, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one's going from 4, 5, 6. Once again, at 4, we're having an open circle. And then we're going to go all the way over here to 6, closed circle. And that is what we do. All right, very colorful. If you have different pencils or whatever, it's cool to do. But all of these different lines make up h of x. H of x. So that means if I ask, all right, this is an extension, all right? So here's our graph, but if I ask you what is h of 7, all right, you have to go over here and say, okay, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, there is no h of 7 because it's not in our domain, all right? So that won't work. All right, but if I ask you for, like, what is h of 3? H of 3, well, h of 3 falls in between 2 and 4, so h of 3 would equal 1. And so on and so forth. All right, if we ask what is h of 1.5, 1.5, put that in there. H of 1.5, well, 1.5 falls between 0 and 2, so that equals 3. All right, and so on and so forth, and that's what we got for so I hope this serves you well on your future endeavors in graphing piecewise functions. Good luck and God bless, and we'll talk to you later.